Tired of soggy fries and unevenly cooked meals? Here are the 5 best air fryer toaster ovens I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Emerald Legosi Extra Large Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. It's a real eye-catcher with its sleek stainless steel finish, priced around $239.78. What caught my attention was its 24 cooking functions, making it a powerhouse for any kitchen. If you want a versatile appliance that can handle everything from frying to roasting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 26-quart capacity means you can easily cook for 4 to 6 people, perfect for family gatherings or meal prep. It features a dual-speed fan for crispy results with its 360-degree superheated air circulation, so you can enjoy that crunch without the guilt of excess oil. Plus, the automatic shutoff helps prevent burnt toast, no more late-night kitchen disasters. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it takes up a lot of counter space. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about cooking for a family or entertaining guests, that space is a worthy trade-off for the convenience and capability it offers. This is perfect for you if you love to cook for groups and want a reliable multi-cooker. Skip this one if you have a small kitchen or just need something for quick snacks. Now, if the size of the Emerald Legosi bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer. Next up is the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer, which comes in at an affordable price of $100.89. What really stands out here is its 10-quart capacity, ideal for family-sized meals. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers on functionality, this might be exactly what you need. This air fryer uses rapid air heating elements to cook your food quickly without the need to preheat like traditional ovens. This means you can whip up meals in no time, perfect for busy weeknights. With 17 preset options, anyone can create delicious meals with minimal effort. Plus, it uses 98% less oil than traditional fryers, making healthy cooking easier than ever. Now, some users noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking in a busy kitchen, that might not be a problem. Just keep the music playing and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical solution to feed a busy family. Skip this one if you prefer a more premium feel or have a smaller kitchen. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for saving space. Product number 3, Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is priced at $189.30 and offers 8-in-1 functionality, which is pretty impressive. The first thing I noticed is its innovative flip-up design, taking up 50% less space when you need to store it. If counter space is a concern for you, this design is worth a serious look. With Ninja's Oven Crisp technology, infrared heating and rapid air circulation work together for even cooking. It can air fry up to 4 pounds of food or bake a 12-inch pizza while using 80% less energy than a full-size oven. That's a huge plus if you're looking to save on your energy bill. However, some people mention that it doesn't reach certain temperatures as quickly as they hoped. But honestly, if you're not in a rush, that's a minor issue considering the energy savings and the quality of food you'll get. This is perfect for you if space saving and energy efficiency are your top priorities. Skip this one if you need something that cooks at super fast speeds. Now, if the space-saving design of the Ninja intrigued you, wait until you see our next product, which offers incredible versatility. Product number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Up next is the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $227.11. This beauty is packed with 8 cooking functions, including air frying, convection baking, and broiling. If you want a premium appliance that does it all, take a close look at this one. The Cuisinart can toast up to 6 slices of bread or air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, catering to both family meals and gatherings. The Air Advantage technology means faster cooking times and crispier results, locking in flavors without extra oil. Plus, the easy clean interior is a real winner for those who hate scrubbing pots and pans. A few users found the controls a bit complicated at first. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the number of functions you get is well worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're looking for versatility and ease of cleanup. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward appliance without a lot of bells and whistles. Now, if the Cuisinart's features impress you, wait until you hear about our final pick, which is perfect for large families. Product number 5, Gourmia French Door Air Fryer, priced at $113.59. This one stands out with its spacious 25-quart capacity and a design that opens with just one hand. If you often cook for a crowd or just want an easy loading option, this is a fantastic choice. With 17 cooking presets, it's super easy to use for all your favorite meals, from crispy fries to roasted chicken. The Fry Force convection technology ensures you get crispy results without the guilt of frying in oil. Plus, the included accessories make it easy to switch between functions. Some users mentioned that the door can feel a bit flimsy, but honestly, for the price and features, I think you can overlook that minor detail, especially if it meets your cooking needs. This is perfect for you if you need a spacious and user-friendly air fryer. Skip this one if you're looking for a compact design or plan to use it in a small kitchen. Now, let's wrap things up and see how these options stack up against each other. So, to recap, we have the Emerald Legosi Extra Large for its versatility, the Chefman for budget-conscious families, the Ninja for space-saving efficiency, the Cuisinart for premium versatility, and the Gourmia for easy loading. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Emerald Legosi because it truly covers all your cooking needs in one appliance. But I'd avoid the Chefman if you're looking for something with a more premium feel. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.